Street. I have a break-in, 1 Street. No, I got it. You gotta be kidding! No, please don't! Please don't! Please don't! Please! Please don't! Please don't! Please don't! Hey! Is anybody there? 911? What?
Sounds like he needs that Second Amendment.
What are you doing with my door? Please?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Looks like Poltergeist is out there. Yeah, it's gonna be a real windy episode.
Agents. Hello, you guys. I know you guys may be on a school break, but hello? Should I put it downstairs? I don't see your trash can.
Bye, Felicia. Get lost!
Please come out. Well, actually, we already have some. You guys, where should I? You can't even see on your camera with your
San Mateo, California. So this guy's just minding his business, having a conversation on the phone. Then all of a sudden,
Hello, baby.
his car gets totaled.
Oh my God, bro.
Fremont, California. Never leave a nice bike outside, 'cause somebody will take it.
Hello.
Santa
Hi.
Rosa, California.
Sorry. Good night.
She appears to be lost.
Hello. I'm coming for an agency. Live here.
I think you have the wrong address. Nobody here by that name.
Yeah.
San Francisco, California. Looks like we got a mailbox Jimmy here. Nothing in the mailbox, buddy. Get lost! Olivehurst, California. Yeah, a bunch of Frenchies outside, and this guy wants one. He grabs the gray one, and it drives off. The owner comes outside and doesn't even notice. Poor dog. If you see this dog, report it. Looks like the brown one knows what happened. He's trying to tell the owner, like, look, he's gone. You know what I'm saying? Marysville, California. Santa Rosa, California. Yeah, just outside of San Francisco. Trying to find some peace in a nice neighborhood, and then here comes this guy. Hey, the fence is closed, buddy. You're not supposed to hop over it. Look at that face. And he got one of those flashlights on his head. You know what that means. Who walks around with a flashlight on their head?
Hi.
Hi.
I thought somebody said, hey, come over here.
No.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
All right.
Ain't nobody said, hey, come over. Get lost! Millbrae, California. Yeah, they got this thing going on called bipping. Yeah, bipping is when you break somebody's window and go inside their car and steal something. Yeah, and it's a petty crime, so these guys are cashing in on this bipping thing. Yeah, couple of bippers right here. Yeah, they bip the window open and they jump inside the window so that the alarm doesn't go off. Because, you know, if you open the door, the alarm goes off. Meanwhile, in Arizona, this guy just walks inside of somebody's house. Hey, you don't know nobody here. St. Louis, Missouri. There's always an accident happening on this corner. These guys hit a car and then they just hop out and run. San Francisco, California. Hey, get out of my mailbox, buddy. There's nothing in there for you unless you want to pay some of these bills. Hey, put that back. That looked like my royalty check. Meanwhile, in Millbrae, these guys just bipped a little package and they're off. Looks like we got a couple eyewitnesses here. Yeah, be on the lookout for those bippers.
Leave.
Meanwhile, at Santa Rosa.
Hey. Sorry.
Fremont, California. So this guy sees some Timberlands and he tries to snag them, but the homeowner comes out and has a few words for him. Let's see what happens.
Excuse me, hello?
Hey, hello. What's up? What are you doing?
Yeah.
Come on, hello.
Yeah, put my Timberlands back.
Don't you ever do again, okay? No DoorDash.
Then he puts them right back out where the thief almost took them.
देखा मैंने उसने वीडियो के साउंड सुन के छोड़ दिया और मेरे
St. Louis, Missouri. Looks like Pops had a long night. Wrong house, Pops. Hey, looks like you need to throw that cat away, buddy. Hope you wasn't driving home with that. Meanwhile, in Arizona, check her out. Wrong house, lady. San Francisco, California. Yeah, you know what's going down this time of year. You better grab those packages.
Get out of here.
It's not home? An agency?
We're calling the cops if you don't leave.
San Bruno, California, we got another bipper team here. Yeah, they go inside this Corvette. They busted the window. Now he's about to slither inside through the window crack. That's a nice Corvette, too. What a shame. Better not leave nothing nice in the car either. Better take those expensive glasses and bring them inside the house. 'Cause the bippers are out there. South San Francisco, California. Check out Mr. Miyagi here. Wax on, wax off. Get off my ring doorbell, buddy. Wax on, wax off. Get lost! So she's out here trying to start a little camp or something like that. I don't know what she got going on. She got a bunch of twigs and stuff, but the homeowner got a few words for her. Let's see what happens.
Can I help you? Hey!
Get lost! San Francisco, California. So this guy's walking around with a blazer on and his Kid Cudi outfit, and he's just going around stealing mail. Hey, buddy, put that back. Who does he think he is? The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air with that hat on? South San Francisco, California. Hey, you better not have no 49ers flags, because those are up for the grabbing. Better put that 49ers flag in your backyard.
Well, they'll assume they didn't want to. Every chance they
You better take them flowers off your door. Can't have no decorations in San Francisco either. Yeah, they trying to take the Christmas decorations in San Francisco. You better put those in your backyard too. Or put them inside the house. Meanwhile.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't understand you. It's okay. Thank you.
She's probably really lost. Chico, California. Check this guy out.
Get the f*** off my porch.
Get lost! San Bruno, California. Better take them San Francisco flags and put them inside the house or something. Meanwhile, in St. Louis, Pops is still trying to get inside the house. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays to everybody. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with CamMasker. CamMasker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.